welcome back to Take Two. I know I haven't been here for like forever or posted a video, but I was so stressed out with this whole coronavirus situation that I did not feel like doing it. I did not know what to do. Plus I was moving in the process, so it was just like a whole other stress on top of stress. But I'm back with another video, more like a review video today, not really a curly tip Tuesday, but it's a review video. I know I look a mess, but I'm going to be doing my hair live action for you, so it's okay. This whole video is about the Olaplaex number 3 and 0. I heard so much great reviews about it. I heard so much people's testaments about how much it strengthened their hair, and their hair is so moistured now, has so much moisture, and I wanted that for myself, especially since I did streak my hair recently, highlighted my hair recently, and I find it's been so dry, especially with the winter months. So I needed that. I heard this originally from Hi Felicia, and I really wanted to check it out and try it for myself. After doing thousands of videos of researches and stuff like that, I really was convinced to buy it. So that's exactly what I did. I opened up the box just a little bit, but not really too much. I didn't read the instructions or anything, but we're gonna do it together. So I bought my package from Sephora. The first thing that I did notice after buying these packages, the bottles are quite small. Like, I was expecting it to be bigger, especially since it is a treatment and your hair, from what I heard, needs to be saturated. I was expecting it to be a big bottle, well, a decent sized bottle, but that's not what I saw or what I got. But from other people, I heard that it was pretty small as well. But that's for us to see how exactly that works. But yeah, so I got the Olaplex number 0. So this is the intensive bond building hair treatment for all types of hair, and it's to prime, repair, strengthen, and protect all types of hair. That's what we need. So the directions say apply number 0 to dry hair, saturate from root to tips, leave on for 10 minutes, do not rinse. Apply a generous amount of number 3 hair protector to saturate hair and wait 10 minutes. Rinse, shampoo, conditioner as usual with Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. Okay, so I did not get the conditioner or the shampoo, but from a lot of people that I've watched, they didn't either, and they kind of just use a shampoo and a conditioner that helps moisturize their hair. So that's what I came in with the idea of, but it's okay. Get ready for it. The number 3, look how small this is, like compared to this. Looks more of a like a liquid form, so I get why there would be more. And this is like a cream, like a regular conditioner. So, and this is 3.3 fluid ounces, so super tiny. And it says also to repair and strengthen all types of hair. I think the only difference with this is this primes the hair. I heard that this basically is like a complementary to the number 3. The number 0 came out recently, and people's been using the number 3. Some people liked it, some people don't, for a while now. So we'll see. This direction says you use once per week. For damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp, towel, dry hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until the hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. So I think I'm gonna leave mine on for 30 minutes since it is a treatment, and treatments usually tend to work within 30 minutes. And it says longer if desired. I heard people slept with it. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just going to leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse it out. Once again, it says for best results, use with the number 4 and number 5 shampoo and conditioner. Don't have it, not gonna use it. I'm kind of disappointed in the size of the bottles because it is $38 each. And I'm not trying to buy it like every month. $38 plus tax each month is quite a chunk of money, especially if you're living on your own and renting. In my case, I'm not trying to buy this every single month for this small bottle. Like, we're gonna try and use a decent amount, but without like wasting the bottle. I'm using the products that I think is super moisturizing for my hair and leaves it with so much moisture and so much shine that it will complement these products. Since I've heard these products leave your hair quite dry because it is a bond building treatment and it's meant to strengthen your hair, not moisturize it. So the products that I'm going to be using is one of my ultimate favorite so far, new favorite lines, Texture ID. So this is the coily line. I know I don't have coily hair, but I do find it moisturizes my hair a lot, so I decided to buy it. Well, I originally started off with the shampoo, but I got so in love with it, especially since I was so surprised that it was a detangling shampoo. And usually, you know, us curly girls are like, shampoo detangling your hair is kind of like, okay, that's a bit weird, since that's not really what shampoo is meant to do. That's like a conditioner or deep conditioner's job. But you know what, girls, I was convinced. I was sold, because it actually does detangle your hair. Like, you could actually detangle your hair while shampooing it. I mean, it's a choice, but since I only had the shampoo, I was like, you know, I'm gonna test it out, and it works. And then I went back and got the coily hair line detangling conditioner, which is exactly what a conditioner is for, and them together, I'm telling you, it's like magic. The only problem that I had with it is they do have a type of silicone in it, but I did my research, and what I found out is it's not a silicone like the dimethicone. It doesn't coat your hair, although if you continue to use it and like overuse it, you will see that it's technically blocking the moisture outside of your hair. So this is not a conditioner that I would suggest to use on a weekly basis, but I mean, I bought it and I went all the way to a different province just to buy it. So I will use it once in a while, but I love it and I really do think it works. This is made with sweet almond oil, honey, and yogurt extract. These are the shampoos and the conditioner I'm going to be using when it comes to my treatment. And then I will be using my Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. Then I will close off with my Strengthen Hair Restore and leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture. This is for all types of hair, well, natural, chemical, and heat styled hair. And I think it's amazing for a leave-in because it is so creamy and it does leave your hair moisturized. Like, a lot of people I've seen used it for a styler, but let's remember, leave-in conditioners are not stylers. It is just to keep the moisture in your hair. But teach their own, right? I'm just going to take out my hair and show you guys how it looks right now. As you can see, like, it's a mess and it's super dry. Like, it's super dry. As you can see, the little highlights, I don't know if you can see it properly, but you could tell that it's dry. Okay, you could kind of see it, not too much. But I'm gonna go and apply this treatment and we'll be back to see the results. after doing the number 0 treatment. I'm leaving it on for 10 minutes now. And why I twisted my hair is so the bonds could like keep the memory of my curls. So what I want to train my hair to do, and I've seen a lot of curly hair girls do this when they do their treatment, so that's the reason why I did it. My thoughts about this so far. So for my hair, I used a little bit more than half the bottle, or maybe a little bit less than half. I guess for somebody with like type 2 or like type 3A or less hair than me, I guess it would work better in that sense of like not using so much. But as for me, I'm like, okay, maybe 2 uses of this at most, it could last, you know, like I'm kind of like $38, and this is just 1 use. Like that's a lot. Like I've seen people use like this much, but I've heard another curly hair girl who has tighter curls than me said that she used quite a bit of the bottle, and it was really hard to like fully saturate your hair with the liquid, like especially the amount that comes out is like near to none. So we'll see how it works, and we'll be back after 10 minutes and apply number 3. So the 10 minutes are up, and I'm going to start applying my number 3 Olaplex. Let's see how fast this works. I'm quite impressed after using number 3 just because of how little I used. I guess my theory still stands when it comes to either having damp hair or applying your number 0. Makes it super easy for you to apply the cream to your hair, so it does feel more like a conditioner more than just like applying water, and you don't need so much to saturate it. I feel like I used a bit too much, but it's my first time using it. I think I'm gonna leave it on for 45 minutes and see how it is, and then I'll be right back to show you exactly how it looks and how my hair feels. Yeah, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I know this is a different angle, but I'm back. I literally just hopped out the shower. I left the treatment on, I'm gonna say for 3 hours, 4 hours max, but this is my hair right out the shower, no styler in it, just a leave-in. And guys, I'm impressed. So I remember a YouTuber doing like a strand test challenge, like taking a strand of hair and pulling it while after the treatment, after like in the shower, and it didn't break off. And I did the same thing to my hair. I don't think you could see it just because of the lighting and everything. I'm gonna try. Okay, here we go. See, I'm pulling, and it's not breaking. It's like amazing. Like my hair feels so much softer. Definitely you could tell how strong it is. And I don't even think I've got this much curl definition after just being in the shower. Like washing everything off. Like I never had this much curl definition ever. So I am impressed. I will give this product so far, just first use, a 10 out of 10, hands down. I definitely would recommend it to anybody who is struggling with this. Anybody in general, I mean, who has hair can use this product, and I 100% guarantee they will see a change in their hair, especially if it's damaged and this is something that they're looking for. So Olaplex 0 and 3, definitely 100% will suggest this. Definitely will be using this again. No bad comments about it at all, honestly. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I gave you a good review. I hope this is something that you will look into as well. If this is a subject or a product that you are thinking of using, definitely leave a comment down below. If you want me to review any other products that you were thinking of using, please make sure it's sulfate, paraben, and silicone free for my sake. And I will see you again on the next video. Hopefully it's not as long as it was to make this. I'll see you guys again on Take Two.